Okay, hello guys, this is Mac Elbs. Today, ituturo ko sa inyo paano mag-register dito sa YOLO. So actually, ito yung new back office ng YOLO. So today, ituturo ko paano kayo mag-register ng new members or a new account. So first thing you need to do is log in your back office. So basically ngayon nasa back office ako ng one of my downline. Okay, so all you need to do is go to this right hand corner. So you can see a couple of menus here or icons or a buttons, dashboard, upgrade account, account settings, view, genealogy, and so on. So if you are trying to register an account using an e-pins, electronic pins or activation code, so all you need to do is go here. Click nyo tong upgrade account. Okay. So after that, if you click upgrade account, so you can see these some details here. Enter sponsor ID, enter placement ID, at saka enter e-pin, sorry. So this is the place for you to put the electronic pin na sinend sa'yo ng sponsor nyo or galing mismo kay Sir Gamey Arroyo. So if you have the e-pin, so all you need to do is just paste here in this empty white box. Paste nyo dyan. Okay, so then after that, all you need to do is just click upgrade package. Alright, anyway, itong nasa taas ito, sponsor ID at saka placement ID is hindi nyo na po ma-edit yan. Okay, so ito yung nailagay nyo previously upon your registration. So you cannot do anything about this. So all you need to do here is just paste your electronic pin or e-pin. Then just click upgrade package. Okay, so after that, you can see your package has been upgraded. So you will notice po, how will you know whether activated na yung account nyo? So on this side, nakikita nyo yung pangalan nyo, yung account name, and sa below, account dash starter, meaning to say, yung account nyo is on a starter level po. So, meaning to say, your account has been activated po. Okay, so because malalaman nyo kung hindi activated, at first, hindi nyo makikita itong word na starter. Alright, so I hope this video will help you and you will be guided on this video. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.